My, oh my. What do we have here? I can't, guys, I'm sorry. I can't tell you what exactly your model the street triple is. But we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. Over here at Eurocycles. Just picked up a rental, aka Triumph Speed Triple. And we're going out over there. This is, oh man, this is so awesome. Me and a couple buddies of mine, high school sweet friends, sweethearts. We ended up taking a dude's trip to Vegas here. I heard of this before. You can rent a motorcycle. I knew it was kind of a thing over in Georgia. Guys rent bikes from Atlanta, go up to Deals Gap, North Georgia Mountains, stuff like that. Oakley, Charleston. He said the road was Charleston. We'll just keep going. Screw it. Oh, okay, we got different modes. And I was watching YouTube videos on what not to do, what to do in Vegas. And I came across the video of top 5 extreme things to do, and this was the last one. And it presented itself as Harleys and stuff, and I thought, man, that would be kind of cool. I mean, I'll do it. But then they had Ducatis, Triumph, Zero motorcycles, the electric. And I thought, oh man, this is cool. The Hoover Dam's awfully close. We're going to the Red Rock Valley. I think that's what it is. So I'm really looking forward to just enjoying this ride. It's going to be a high of hot. Oh, ooh. And I must say, I am much more happy with this guy than I am the Ducati. The Ducati was a 757, but this thing is sweet. Oh, whoops, wrong one. I've heard a lot of great things about these bikes, and so far, this bike is awesome. Real comfy. I'm not gonna do a review. That's not what this video is about. This video is just about Vegas. I'm gonna take about a 4-hour ride today. I gotta turn this thing back at 5 at the latest. Once we get out of the suburbs, or burbs, the city, once we get close to that mountain, I'll get back with you guys. Look at this. Man, it is, wow, way different from back home, I'll tell you that. It's so wild to see, I guess, the rawness of the terrain. No trees, you got some shrubs, but this is, it's so different. And here we are. We're in the desert. Well, we were probably in the desert beforehand, but golly. Oh, this is just, wow. This was definitely a bucket list item for sure. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. Guys, let me know if you have ever ridden in the desert, ridden coast to coast, ridden on Route 66. That's not what this is. I mean, this is just breathtaking. There's wild horses out here? Oh, no way. You know, I looked at this route and I thought, man, this is going to be a gorgeous ride. And I get to, you know, ride this road kind of spirited. It's a little curvy, but I don't want to do that at all. And we're only 2 miles in, and this thing is 13 miles. I don't have to worry about oncoming traffic, so that is awesome. But guys, this is just magnificent. And I'm sure if you guys have gone anywhere where it's outside of your normal surroundings, you're just blown away. And it's magnificent to see this in person. It's just breathtaking. It's so hard to describe. I know this GoPro's in a super view mode and it's not very linear, but man, you know, I hope it looks good. I've taken a ton of pictures, obviously, but this is beautiful. Sandstone quarry. Ooh, look at that view. Man, I've never wanted to go so slow on a curvy road like this. I think of the old Western movies, Red Dead Redemption style, right? Yeah, you're looking at what cowboys used to run free on with horses and Indians. And that's it, we're back on the open road. We're headed to the Hoover Dam now, so I figured let's do a little sightseeing right now. Let's stretch the legs on this thing real quick, see what it does. control. That's amazing. Nothing like riding a motorcycle. Golly. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward to the Hoover Dam. Alright, we have fast forwarded up here to the Hoover Dam. We're about to pull up, but supposedly it's right up here somewhere. Oh, I bet that's it right over there. No? Wow, I am definitely confused. Oh, Hoover Dam, never mind. Not as confused anymore. All right, and in 2.5 miles, we'll see Rocky Mountain Bighorn. What's up, fellas?
Good, man. Any guns on board?
No, no guns. All right, thank you guys. All right, well, we'll get to the dam here soon enough. Well, here we are. The Hoover Dam. It's insane. It's just such an American icon. Doors are old school. The construction's old school. You know, back when America was booming. This is what it reminds me of. Dang. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Alright, we're getting off to the Las Vegas Boulevard. I had to change the plans. Valley of the Fire, or Fire Valley, was just not going to work out. Didn't have enough time. Got to get gas. And I got to turn this bike back in today. It's pretty wild. I say I only have had this. I've had this bike all day already. That's wild. I've ridden for the most part. I got stopped at A&W, got me some El Lunche. Thought I'd take you guys through the strip here. Some of you guys have probably already seen it. Being a kid, seeing all the stuff about Las Vegas and the Sign and Luxor and MGM Grand and all these other places. Wow, that plane is about to make touchdown. Check it out. It's pretty neat. And I've walked the strip the last 2 days up and down. Man, like clockwork, they got another one landing. Walking, it's one thing, but being able to go up and down on a motorcycle is pretty sweet. It's so odd. Vegas is surrounded by nothing but mountains, which is cool. It's like in a little flat, I don't even want to call it a valley. It's just surrounded. I think a valley is obviously, you know, in between, but this thing's completely surrounded.
I'm surrounded on all sides. I'm surrounded on my right flank, surrounded on the left flank, forward, up, back.
Check out this line. If you guys ever want to come, you will have to sit in line or stand in line to get your photo with the Vegas sign. But check it out. There it is. Welcome to Las Vegas. That's so awesome. Luxor, that's a cool one, man. I don't know if the pyramid's the actual size of the other, like the Egyptian pyramids. I say the other pyramids, or if the Sphinx is the a 1-to-1 ratio, but that'd be pretty cool if it was, because that's awesome. Excalibur, there's your castles for today. And check it out. Check it out. Statue of Liberty. Oh, Statue of Liberty has a mask on. How about that? Oh, roller coaster's taking off. I don't know how long this light is, if I can snap a quick pic. Oh, shoot. Barely looked out and got that one. I guess got to put this glove on the next light, I reckon. In the heat, literally the heat of the Strip. Coca-Cola factory, M&M factory, Hard Rock Cafe. Ate there last night. Delicious. But man, the hustle and bustle, boys. And then to me, that's kind of it. I know we have some iconic hotels coming up, but that's like, watch out for those flamingos.
Nothing threatening here, I'm just a flamingo.
All those girls want is to take pictures and get your money. They're very kind though, but very dependent on money. But I guess if that's their job, you know, whatever. Big old TVs. Screens, I don't know what to call them, to be completely honest. Double deuce, that's the way you get around here on the Strip. We got a Petty, Eiffel Tower. Again, I don't think it's the size or scale, but it's a pretty big piece of erected monument. Bellagio to the left. Fountain shows go on daily. Watched them last night. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we got Little Caesar's Palace next to it.
Pizza.
It's just fun to come walk through all these hotels and casinos, and you know, because you don't have to pay to get in, right? You have to pay to stay, of course, but that's kind of fun. You're just going from hotel to hotel, casino to casino. And that's the thing, there is a ton of the same slot machines, and I mean, that's cool, but I'm not too big on it. I'm not a big gambler anyway. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. You know, I thought you had the main Strip, but then you go up here to Fremont, and that's, you know, that's its own thing as well. That, and I think from what I heard, what I've been told, is that's the original Strip. I'm gonna break a couple rules right here. I didn't want to do it, but I wanted to do it. Old Trump Tower over there. It's kind of off of the main debacle. But guys, that is it for this Vegas video. I'm getting low on battery. I'm gonna close this one out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds of Vegas, Red Rock Canyon, Hoover Dam, and thank you so much for watching and sharing this trip with me. It means a lot.